all night?
Never mind, Sue. It's not the worst. I forgot everything!
You're Slime Sam and I'm Sue. Remember that?
Very funny. Yesterday, I played with these beads searching for craft ideas and now I forgot everything!
Okay, calm down. Let's search here and try to recover your memory. And we can craft while doing it.
Sherlock Crafter? Now you're talking. Sue, you're a genius! Hi, guys! I never thought that cleaning could be that fun!
Perler beads never disappoint. Guys, have you ever played with them? If you did, give us a thumbs up.
Huh? So where shall we start? I see absolutely nothing!
Well, I have a clue. Check this out. Somebody had a photo shoot here.
I got it! I wanted to make a photo frame!
Then let's pick a green theme. It'll suit you the best.
I'll be like a bright pink flower among the green leaves.
Guys, now it's gonna be a bit tricky. We should cover the frame with a piece of parchment paper. This way.
And iron it! Be careful, guys! Iron is burning hot!
Here we go. Don't push too much and iron it rather quickly.
I've never liked housework, but I could do this every day! Awesome!
Check this out, guys. The base already looks cool. Now let's add the green outline from these pieces that Sammy made.
That was nothing! I could play with these beads all day long!
Yeah, right. This time we're changing iron to the glue gun. Be careful with it, guys. Like this. This is gonna be awesome.
That's a perfect fit! Oh no! What are we supposed to do now?
Don't worry, Sam. We'll fix this in a minute. We'll add these tiny pockets to each corner.
Hail Tibidaba, Sue! This definitely should work!
This part is done. But look at the front side, Sammy. It kinda looks pretty empty.
I have a perfect solution, Sue! Check out all these leaves I brought!
Sammy, that's just what I was thinking about. Well done.
I'm a great mind reader! Guys, give us a thumbs up if you agree!
All leaves are in their places now, but I think we should add something like…
A sheep? It was waiting for its turn.
Well, I wanted to say flowers, but the sheep fits here too.
Interesting! Did you say flowers? Here you go!
Thanks.
Anything you need!
Really? Then bring me a stormy cloud.
Oh, I guess I overestimated my skills. No clouds here, Sue!
That means we have another challenge, Sammy. Let's make the cloud right now.
With a lightning, Sue! I want a lightning!
Here we go. Everything we wished for is ready.
Holy cannoli! My photo will look just perfect in this photo frame! Yippee!
Let's see the final result right now then. Put the corners of the photo into the pockets. There. And it's done! The first mystery is revealed. Let's see what's next.
Yeah. Huh? Wait! Shiver me cheddars, the wires got tangled up!
Then we should find a way to organize them. A bright organizer will do.
Woohoo! My earphones will always be in their place! I'm gonna untangle myself and make the other side!
Go on, Sammy! I believe in you! By the way, the back side looks pretty much the same. Don't forget to repeat these sockets for earpieces and the cable.
Look, Sue! I almost got it! A few more slices and we'll get the watermelon!
Oh! Sammy, we only need 2 slices for this organizer. We should iron everything carefully and then put all the pieces together.
Check this out! I have a new pair of glasses! Okay, it's a monocle then!
We'll make a reel to put the wires around it. Join 2 small circles together and put the second watermelon slice on top. Looks yummy!
But don't eat that, Susan! We need it as an organizer!
I wasn't even trying, Sammy! Okay, let's roll the wires up. All right. Huh? Something's stuck.
This! The problem with the wires is finally solved!
And it seems like we've also found an idea for a new craft. It'll be a phone.
Shh, Sue! Let's save it till the end! too, like, hey, what are these lianas? They're so colorful, and they look like...
Jewelry! Someone got bored and decorated the plant, huh? But the real plants are fragile.
So we'll make a new plant using perler beads! So cool!
A cactus is the best match for accessories. I wish someone could make the second part.
Sue, why do you need someone when you have a slime like me? I'll be back soon!
Sammy will deal with that in a moment. So guys, let's speed up too!
See, my gardening skills definitely didn't go to waste, right?
Awesome! Now we can join these two pieces together, and here is our cactus. It seems a bit plain.
I'll fix it right now! I'll transform an ordinary cactus into a blossomy cactus!
Much better! And now let's hang all these accessories on it. Like my favorite earrings, for example.
Or a necklace you wore yesterday. It will always be with you.
Ah, looks perfect! Guys, stay tuned! Some other mysteries are waiting for us! Sammy, it seems like you were thirsty while thinking about our new crafts. And this is...
A big wet spot! Sue, we have to do something about it!
Then we should make a coaster for drinks using the beads. Take this, Sammy.
I got it! Yeah, let's not ruin the table again anymore.
And this time we're gonna use a fruit theme. Let's start with an apple slice.
I'm feeling summer vibes! Can we also make an orange and a kiwi?
Okay, we'll have a whole bunch of fruits and even more.
Do you mean there will be some vegetables too?
Nope, no vegetables. Do you have another idea?
Maybe a stand for coasters? That must be fun!
Bingo! You have great intuition, my friend.
Wow, really? I just said a random thing and it was right! Awesome!
And I'll actually need your help with it. But first, let's finish up the coasters.
Sue, I counted them. We need at least 6 coasters. Here are the templates.
Then what are we waiting for? The apple is ready. Let's make the others. No wet spots on the table anymore. And no more splashes, because now we have a cute cover for the drink. Voila!
And a stylish summer hat. We should collect all coasters somewhere.
Here are the pieces for the future stand. Let's add some glue and put them all together. Just remember to be very careful.
Oh, I see. Yeah, guys, don't get burned.
And here's our stand for coasters. Let's see if they all fit in here.
Easy, easy. I can hold them a little bit more, but not too long, Susan.
We're almost there, Sammy. Now let's finally see how it looks. Wow, perfect!
Cheese! Everything is ready except for one thing.
There's that phone again.
What?
The phone case looks quite dull, huh? Let's make it more colorful.
It's gonna be an awesome ending for our craft video today. Let's go!
Sammy, you could pick a design for the case, you know. What do you think?
I want a multicolored one, and there definitely should be a lot of pink.
Well, that's a must. We both adore it. We carefully ironed it from both sides, and ta-da! The case is almost done.
Now we only need to glue it to this plastic case.
Thank you, assistant. Our cover follows its shape. All right, now we'll apply some glue to the case surface. The glue is hot. Ask an adult to help you at this stage if you want. Now we'll attach the beads case on the top. Done.
Let's try this out, Sue! Quick, I bet this case will look just perfect.
I don't even doubt that, Sammy. Here we go. Wow, it looks so colorful. I love it.
Want to see all the crafts we did today? Then follow me!
tired of perler beads for today.
Susan, I'm not gonna sleep until my portrait comes out perfectly.
All right, I'll go watch a new series then.
That's a tough choice.
Relax just for now, huh?
You win, but tomorrow you'll help me with my portrait.
Deal. If you liked our video today, guys, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. See you!
See y'all soon!